See, I've been hearing this all day. It's really cool. Usually there's a plane that does the ones by our house, but this one is a helicopter. These are the fields, as you can see. I have fields all around my house. There he's turning back around. So this should be a pretty cool shot. You hear the thump. Can't see it because the horn's 10 foot tall. This shot, he's gonna be right over me this time. So I'm gonna get you guys a good shot here. Back over here. I hear it, but I can't see it. He's coming. Not sure, I can't see where he's at. He should be right over us here this time. Yeah, well, that's one of those smaller ones. It's, yeah, I can't think of the name of them. There's a name. Is it? I don't even want to speculate. Now he's gonna be like right here this time. Yeah. So, break my house, people. Get it up really tight so you can see it. We can get a better shot of it going over the house. He's gonna be coming right over us here. There he is. That was probably the last pass over here.
I really don't even see it really.
No, you don't. You don't really see it.
Huh.
He should be back. I think he's just... I don't think he's got any more to do here. Was he right over here?
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe one more. They don't waste any passes, so... He might be just working the outsides of the field right now.
Yeah, maybe.
I don't know if I can see it if I put it way up. Oh, there he is right there, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
See, I think he's doing the outside. I don't know if it's showing up. I can't see the screen. Well, we got to pause. Don't forget, everybody, tonight it's Toyota Gazoo GT Cup here in King Pit Dog Racing. It's July 24th, 2022. That might be it.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, they got to watch out for these power lines here, which go above my house here.
Yeah.
And then we got my son's garden there he handles. I don't know, I don't hear him coming back.
I wonder if he's going along.
I'm trying to post more videos like this. It's so hard because I don't have time to edit, so everything has to go just as planned, or I won't post it. So I think we're gonna stop this right about 5 minutes here. I think that's about it. There's my little one. There's my house, my trees that I'm always complaining about. Well, not really complaining about. So, I guess that's it. Thanks everybody for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you have not already, hit that notification bell. You will know when I'm on. And that should be it for this one, but you can see a little quick video of some crop dusting here right behind my house. I don't see anything else, so that's it, everybody. We'll see you tonight for Toyota Gazoo GT Cup Racing in the Toyota 86 and Subaru BRZ from Autopolis.